Hey all, I'm just here to try to save you some time for getting some games for Pandora Key 7. As you can see on this list, it takes a while. It took me about 2 weeks, just because it's a learning curve. So what I did was I emailed TAPDRA service at yeah.net, include the Amazon order number, include a picture of the USB connections, include a picture of the list of the games, like as you see right up there, that title block. They'll need that to make sure what version you have. So they'll send you how to install the games and a list of games. So ask for that. And then once you get the list of games that it can support, it's a lot. I'm pretty sure everything that you need's in there. Just go over that list. It's an Excel file. They'll send it to you. Just make sure it matches the Excel row numbers. These are the Excel row numbers right here. And then those are a list of games that are pretty much hard to find. And that first one up on top is that CAC one, 1724. It's Williams Arcade's Greatest Hits, which includes Joust. Everybody's having a hard time in installing Joust on these Pandora boxes, but that is the ROM that you need. That CAC and the rest of it, that'll give you Joust. Yeah, once you get that file from TAPDRA, just go ahead and format the USB thumb drive that you have, with exFAT and an allocation unit size of 32 kilobytes. Create the MC Games folder inside of that USB thumb drive, and inside the MC Games folder, extract those games. They're gonna come in RAR or zip. Use 7-zip or WinRAR to extract them. And make sure the folders are the same names as the file names, like the CAC. Some of them are going to be more common, like let's say Moon Patrol. I have a hard time getting Moon Patrol to work, but yeah, this is pretty much what you need to do. The install file, just use Notepad right here. Hold on, let me see. Let me try to get it open. Oops. You're gonna have to write the list, whatever's in that folder. Just write the name. I just try to rename, copy and pasted it into this Notepad. Use Notepad, and call it install. The dot text will be automatic. And let's see what else is here. This is a sample of what I have. It's gonna first, when you first drop it in here, it's gonna say RAR, and then once you extract it, it should make the name of the folder the same. And this is what are inside the folders. So and that install it text right there is inside the MC Games, as you can see right there. I called my thumb drive Pandora External Drive, Pandora EX, but you could call it whatever. It'll recognize it no matter what once you install it. So that's my thumb drive right there. See, if I yank it out, that should go all the way. And then once you install it in that bottom USB drive or USB connector, it's gonna ask you a bunch of questions there. It'll say like, want to install A, yes, B, no. And A is the first top left button to install. And that's about it. See, I got the classic collection of Street Arcades. That's a CAC one. And I added Dig Dug because my unit came with 2670 games. It'll just install at the end of the list. So I installed a Dig Dug, Paperboy, and Tapper. And the rest has like a bunch of retro games. So I hope this helps you. I just here to help. Thanks. Bye.